Hi all, so I have a super quick tip here for you, and it's basically using layer styles on how to add a little bit of sense of realism to some of your line work and also hopefully to speed up some of your production. So I have here some wires in a stent in this endograft here. These wires are metal wires, and rather than going in and like painting all of the wiring, what I can do is I can use layer styles. So just a real quick just recap on how these wires are made. These were done using just simple shapes here that you can move and adjust and change the line weight thicknesses and everything like that. So with the layer styles, if I just open that up, so here I have a bevel, and then I also have a drop shadow added in here just to kind of give it some volume, and then just another drop shadow that is just to kind of connect it really closely to the fabric. And already I feel like that kind of just makes it look a little bit more realistic, a little bit more like metal, and then you can go in and refine as you go along. Now I can adopt the same method for the stitching here, and I've basically just duplicated these effects layer onto a new layer just by alt dragging it onto a new layer and then adjusting the settings. So if I turn that on, what I've done is, I'll show you again, I've just added in a very soft bevel and emboss, and I've gone in and just kind of changed the colors here and some of the settings to match the color of the thread. I've added in this kind of drop shadow here just to connect it with whatever the thread is touching, and then this drop shadow. So this means now that actually I can go in and I can draw in my thread with a very thick round brush, and it just kind of looks pretty realistic when I'm just drawing in the thread like that. And it actually saves me a lot of time going in and trying to, colorize each individual thread by itself. Now when I zoom out, it looks a little bit better, a little bit more realistic than without. Maybe I can even just kind of adjust and change it when the zoomed out view, but it also means that if our client wants to have a zoomed in view, it will also look quite nice as well. Anyways, hope that helps. Bye!